Yo, what is good YouTube and friends, and welcome back to another Crypto.com video. I do make videos about Crypto.com every single week. We cover news, we cover the CRO token, as well as anything else related to the Crypto.com ecosystem, even some how-to videos as well. If you do have any suggestions about Crypto.com content that you would like to see, anything at all, please leave those suggestions in the comments section of this video. Folks, while I do have your attention at the start of today's video, I would like to announce I'm going to be doing a Christmas, December, New Year's Eve, whatever you'd like to call it, giveaway. I'm going to be giving away $50 worth of CRO at the end of December to one lucky winner. In order to enter this competition, it's super easy. You gotta like this video, subscribe to the channel, comment in this video which card you have, all right? Let me know in the comment section below. If you feel like telling me why and helping me with that YouTube algorithm in the comment section, that would be really awesome as well, but otherwise don't worry. Then on top of that, folks, what I need you to do is actually go into the top of the description of this video and retweet the tweet at the top of the description of this video and tag a couple friends over there, guys. Drop me a follow on Twitter as well, and then I will be announcing the winner at the end of December. So I'll touch base about this competition in next week's video as well, but again, do let me know if you do have any questions. So we've got a lot to cover in today's video, folks. We've got some awesome new partnership news with Crypto.com. We're going to be having a look at the CRO token, and before we do dive into that though, I do actually just want to talk to you a little bit about the importance of security and insurance when investing in a third party. So over at Crypto.com, they do have a high level of security and insurance. We're going to be having a look at a couple of pieces that sort of detail that in a little bit more detail for you to understand. And really the reason why I'm talking to you about that is essentially to make you understand the real true fundamental value and utility of the CRO token, and why I do believe that whilst we are seeing a bit of a setback, maybe around 20-25% from the all-time high of around 96 cents at the moment, we're going to blast through that psychological resistance level of $1. And when we do, guys, I don't know, I think $2, $3, $4, maybe even $5 at some point in time could be a realistic price target to achieve. You got to think limited supply of CRO token, more mainstream adoption. Crypto.com, like I always say in these videos, they are at the forefront of mainstream adoption. They've got the best marketing in the entire cryptocurrency space, and they are gearing up to go toe-to-toe with Coinbase for user volume. They are absolutely smashing it with every single bit of piece that they are doing. And you know, there's probably some beginners watching these videos right now. There's probably some people that have been watching me for some time now, but I'm not sure if you remember the first time, if you have been in the space for some time, what did it feel like when you made your first gains in cryptocurrency, whether it be through Bitcoin, some other altcoins, maybe it was through CRO. I sure do remember what it was like for me back in 2017, or maybe sort of around 2018, 2019, the years leading up to now. I kind of thought, okay, this is great. I'm making some nice, little gains in crypto, but how do I know that I can actually spend it? I want an easy way to spend this money if I want. What easier way to spend your money than the Crypto.com card? Folks, if you haven't got a card yet, you get a Ruby Red or above, there will be a link in the description to do that. It's an affiliate link. You'll get $25, and so will I. You'll be supporting the channel if you go ahead and do that. But you got to understand, these people, mainstream, they're going to come in, they're not looking to really diversify into too many altcoins. They'll get some CRO, they'll stake for a card, maybe they'll get some Bitcoin, Ethereum, and they'll just carry on with their 9-to-5 jobs, whatever they're doing, and the world will go on, but they're going to want a way to know sort of how to spend that money, and the card is the easiest way to do that. So you need to understand something, okay? Crypto.com is targeting that mainstream. These mainstream adopters, they're coming in, locking up their CRO stakes. It's going to just provide that solid fundamental support for the price of CRO token. And that is why I believe that CRO is truly forming itself to be a nice, simple, honest utility, a fundamental blue chip investment in the cryptocurrency space, currently sitting at around market cap rank number 14. It is definitely going to crack that top 10 within the next year and hold its position, possibly even a top 5 the way things are going. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, so the first thing that I want to bring to your attention, whether you're new, whether you've been in the space for some time now, like I said, when you're using third parties, you want to know and you want to understand clearly what type of security level do they have. I'm not going to pretend to you that investing in third-party apps and platforms is the safest way to store cryptocurrency, but if you are going to do it because of the many perks involved, such as staking on the Crypto.com app, for example, then you're going to want to understand what kind of security they do have, guys. So our commitment to our customers is built on trust. We believe that security and data privacy are the foundations of achieving mainstream cryptocurrency adoption. Alrighty folks, so in terms of the actual storage of your assets, 100% of user cryptocurrencies are held offline in cold storage. Crypto.com has a strategic partnership with Ledger, integrating its institutional grade custody solution Ledger Vault. We also leverage hardware security modules, HSM, and multi-sig technologies. Crypto.com has secured a total of USD 750 million in cold storage insurance against physical damage or destruction and third-party theft. It's also really important to understand that all funds that are actually held in the hot wallet are corporate funds. We leverage HSM and multi-sig key generation tech to keep these funds secure. They are primarily used to ensure smooth day-to-day withdrawal requests from our customers. Then it's also important to understand that users' fiat currencies are held in regulated custodian bank accounts. If you are a US resident, your USD balances are held at Metropolitan Commercial Bank, an FDIC member and insured depository institution. Your USD balances held at Metropolitan Commercial Bank are insured up to a USD equivalent of $250,000. You retain ownership of those funds in Metropolitan Commercial Bank accounts, meaning your fiat funds cannot be claimed by Crypto.com or its creditors. Alrighty folks, so what is the summary of that, guys? Crypto.com has secured a US 100 million direct insurance policy led by Arch Underwriting at Lloyd's Syndicate 2012. This is the largest coverage that Crypto.com has secured for its cold storage assets on custodial partner Ledger Vault. So are my funds in the Crypto.com app insured, guys? Are they insured? So even if something does break through this high level security, are my funds still insured? Yes, they are, ladies and gentlemen. The new policy brings Crypto.com's total cryptocurrency insurance to 750 million, as we did say before. Links to these articles will be at the top of the description of this video. Let's now take a moment to hear about today's sponsor of the video. The moment of power is now. Smart Electrum is a blockchain-enabled auction hosting and trading platform with the aim of markets of making auction hosting, price comparison, and online classified adverts more efficient. On November 21st, Smart Electrum did complete their first lottery event. The list of participants can be found at the link 61 tickets participated in the lottery. 30,500 tokens collected in the first lottery will be designated for burn. All the Google Docs will be available here, folks. I will leave a link in the description of this video if you want to check out the statistics of Smart Electrum's first lottery. Then, folks, if you head on over to their Twitter page, head on over and do give them a follow and check them out in a bit more detail there. At the top of their pinned tweets here, ladies and gentlemen, you can find information on their vesting lottery, the Smart Electrum lottery, and the Smart Electrum airdrop campaign. Also really great to see another partnership with JJ Pasak. We're happy to welcome the JJ Pasak as the next partnership of upcoming charity and fundraising the platform. Folks, if you are interested in Smart Electrum, all the links will be in the description of this video. Back to the video. Alrighty folks, so a bit of a look at the CRO price. What is going on? We are down 4.2% for the last 24 hours, but in my personal opinion, we are setting at a very healthy 71 cents per CRO, ladies and gentlemen. Really great to see here. Okay, we still have that juicy total supply, which has been thoroughly reduced through CRO burns, just over 30 billion. Then if we take a look at the all-time high, ladies and gentlemen, we got to 96 cents, facing that $1 psychological resistance level on November 24th, 2021, which was just 26 days ago, folks. This may represent a buying opportunity. We are 26% down. And guys, again, I always have to bring this statistic up in every video. From the all-time low, 5,795% up. So if anyone's saying that CRO was a boring token, then I encourage you to have a look at that percentage increase and tell me what asset that you have that has performed better than that is actually representing itself as a blue chip asset in the top 20 altcoins, okay? And if we actually go and have a look at the monthly chart, folks, the 30-day chart, we can actually see some really nice movement upwards where we hit that all-time high a few days ago at around 96 cents, guys, on the 24th of November here, okay? We hit that 96 cents high there before getting absolutely smashed at that psychological level. We had a really nice encouraging bounce from a low here of 65 cents where we again petered out there, guys, at a top of 80 cents before kind of reaching a bit more a consolidation pattern. So what I'm seeing here, folks, I'm seeing higher lows, guys, a higher low here, before that rejection, okay, and then again starting to create a couple more high lows after that rejection, one here, and now it kind of almost looks like we are approaching a bit of a triangle formation. So I would predict that we are looking to be facing a fairly big breakout, maybe in excess of 10% in one direction or the other. It could break bearish or it could break bullish. Either way, it's going to be a good thing for CRO, because if it breaks bullish, guys, then, you know, happy days. We could well go past $1. But if it does go bearish, then, you know, just a buying opportunity to continue loading up your bags, in my opinion. Alrighty, folks, so I know this was from November 25th, okay, so about 5 days ago, but it's massive news, and I'm still going to bring it to you anyway. So CONMEBOL announces multi-year partnership with Crypto.com as official partner of CONMEBOL Libertadores. Crypto.com to appear in Saturday's final in Montevideo, where Palmeiras take on Flamengo. Alright, guys. So the South American Football Confederation, CONMEBOL, and Crypto.com, the world's fastest growing crypto platform, have agreed to a multi-year partnership whereby Crypto.com will become an official partner of CONMEBOL Libertadores for the 2023 to 2026 cycle. The platform will also be one of the official NFT licenses of the CONMEBOL Libertadores from 2022. So some really exciting stuff, guys. We know that there is a big marketing push towards sort of South America and a bit of Central America as well. And let's face it, football is just a space that we all love. Whatever continent you're from, there are going to be members of that continent that love their football, and Crypto.com have really just found that nice little niche. And to be honest, in my opinion, you know, there might be a lot of people that don't see the value in this recent partnership with CONMEBOL Libertadores, okay? But guys, this is massive, okay? It's absolutely massive, and it's going to take the CRO price in a really, really good direction and offer some really, really great stability, and hopefully educate, most important of all, okay? But also get some South American investors on board using Crypto.com as the #1 go-to third-party app of South America. LFG, baby. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for sticking here all the way to the end. If you did, if you like this video, drop a like on the video, subscribe to the channel if you like Crypto.com, and turn the notification bells on so you do know when videos about Crypto.com do come out on this channel. And from wherever you're watching from in the world, have a great one, and we'll catch all of you in the next video. Cheers.